To facilitate assembly, apply suitable lubricant to the thread and cone of the connecting piece of the cutting ring. Check the molded seal for possible damage and replace if necessary. The tube end pre-assembled in the hardened pre-assembly sleeve, or the tube end pre-assembled mechanically, is inserted into a new screw socket, and the union nut is tightened by hand without any tension. Attention! Tubes directly pre-assembled in the screw socket are inserted again into the same socket. The union nut is tightened with a wrench until the force is perceivably increased. VOSS recommends making markings on the union nut and the tube to check the stipulated tightening path. Then the coupling is tightened by approximately a quarter of a turn. During assembly, the screw socket needs to be held with a wrench.